Hello Oddwords, welcome back to our channel Devingtel. Today we will see about timesheet dashboard. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here a module Dev Timesheet Dashboard Advanced. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to timesheet app and see here team dashboard. Provided here two filters, department wise and employee wise. Also provided here week wise. Display here current week, but if you want to display week wise data, so you can easily change it. Provided here 4 filters: total hours recorded this week, average hour per employee, total entries of this timesheet line, and total available employees in timesheet. Display here these details employee wise. When you click on this employee, they display here this project and task, and also display here project task for this created or generated timesheet. Display here week wise, and last in display total average, and below display average of this daily, and display here this grand total. Above provided total 3 buttons: export Excel, export PDF, and here this create timesheet. If you want to directly create it from this dashboard, so easily click on this create timesheet. Fill here details, set here date and total time spent for this specific task. Total 2 hours and date is 23. Let's save. Now change here week, and now created here entries with this project and task. 23 date in, total time spent 2 hours, and also counted here average and total. If you want to print this data in Excel or PDF format, so easily click on this. First I want to print in PDF format, and see here your printed data in PDF format. Department, all department, employee, all employees. Display above these counters, and below display employees details, average and total wise. Now I want to print in Excel format, so display here in Excel format with all details. Total average, below display timesheet report, employee summary in display, period timing, employee department all, total hours, daily average and percentage of total, in display in this chart of employee details. Next is a project summary, project wise display, total hours and percentage, and last is a total row data. In this display period timing with filter, all employee or department details, project with task name, total time spent, it means hours, and description of this task. It's printed with all departments and all employee. But if you want to print for the specific, so you can easily click or select here. I want to print specific for this management and employee only admin. Now again export, and see here this only printed report in display, admin's details, employee summary only employee, this admin, project summary same only for this admin, in row data in display only employees, admin, and above also display here period timing with department management, and employee is admin. So using this timesheet dashboard, you can easily manage timesheet of this employee. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.